In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Flashloop AI Brand Deal. The basic idea is simple. You use Flashloop to create strong AI-powered video content, grow an audience around that content, and then use that audience and your content style to qualify for brand opportunities. If you want this to work well, the key is to treat it like a real content business, not just a one-time upload. Start by going to Flashloop and using the platform to create high-quality AI videos that show off your creativity and editing skills. As you make content, focus on a niche that makes sense for you. That could be technology, lifestyle, education, business, or any category you want to be known for. Staying consistent in one niche helps people understand what your content is about, and it also makes you more appealing to brands later on. Once you have content to post, begin building your audience. Share your videos consistently on short-form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. Consistency matters here because audience growth usually comes from repeated exposure. It also helps to engage with viewers by replying to comments and paying attention to the kind of content they respond to most. That feedback can guide what you create next. After you've started building traction, check whether Flashloop has a brand deal or creator program available through the app or the official website. If it does, apply and complete your creator profile carefully. Make sure everything is filled out properly and follow the application requirements closely, since that improves your chances of being accepted. If you get access to brand campaigns, take time to browse the available options and choose campaigns that actually fit your audience and your content style. This is important because the best sponsored content feels natural, not forced. Before accepting anything, read all campaign requirements carefully so you understand exactly what the brand expects. From there, create your sponsored content based on the brand's guidelines. The goal is to feature the product or service naturally while still sounding and looking like yourself. That balance helps keep trust with your audience. Also, make sure you include any required hashtags, captions, or disclosures so the content meets the campaign rules. When your video is finished, upload or submit it through the Flashloop platform if required. If the brand or platform asks for revisions, make those updates promptly so your content matches the campaign requirements. Finally, once your content is approved and all campaign conditions have been met, you'll get paid according to the program's terms. Keep in mind that payment methods and